Welcome everyone. This is a brief update to start the 2023 season as the AC emerges into the bright spring daylight. This is the first true sign that spring has arrived. A quick pump of the brakes and then test the electrics. March 2023 started with frost and snow and ended with many days of heavy rain, so we are now in April 2023. Work on the engine requires a warm cylinder block, hence the delayed start this year. I spent March working intensively on business projects so that I can clear some time in late spring for the AC. The elusive new crankshaft has still not materialised. It's now 10 months late. Also, the more recently ordered camshaft is 2 months late so far. My engineer friend Chris, seen in a couple of my engine videos, has not been well. I decided to have another quick attempt to extract the head studs. Heating the stud should crush any corrosion and hopefully open a slight gap when it cools. Returning 1.5 hours later and some Aerocoil penetrating oil added, I should really leave it soak in, but I might as well have a quick try while the weather is fine. No luck. Some of the studs have bent slightly, so I may be getting close to breaking them. I'll return to the studs when I can get more specialist assistance. If the engine parts are delayed much more, I will shift my plans back to the coat painting of the bodywork as we head towards summer. I've also got a cold blackening kit to try out on some of my old engine bolts. More videos to follow this year. Thanks for watching.